Hello everyone, welcome back to the Aquarium Show. So I'm Jonathan and thank you so much for returning to my channel. This video I decided to show you my Betta fry, my Betta tank. I think I'm going to do every Friday updates on them. They are 79 days old. They are growing so fast. I can't believe I have them for almost 80 days. So yeah, shocking for me as well. So without a further ado, let's start with the video. This video I decided to show you my Betta fry tank. They are 79 days old today. They born in the 16th of July. And something very interesting that I noticed today is that some of the males are trying to be more aggressive. Not trying, but they are behaving very aggressive. One, as you can see, is behind this plant here. He decided the almond leaf is his territory, so I know for sure that I will have to jar him very soon. I did jarred one of my males because he behaved exactly like this guy, and I didn't exactly jar him. I just put him in his own tank. So as you can see, this is his tank. I put almond leaves in his tank as well. But yeah, this is him. Focus. Sorry about the disgusting glass. So yeah, this is him. I think he's going to be half moon because of his long fins, but I'm not sure. He's only 79 days old, so his colors are going to change and his fins are going to change as well. As you can see, he just lays under the output of the filter, so that's why he dragged down. He's very curious. I have tons of snails in this tank. I'm sorry about the glare, by the way. But yeah, he has his own tank for himself. For jarring, I thought I will get a lot of breeding containers and just put them in this tank, and just that way I can jar them, and they will still have filter, good quality of water. But as you know, I only have about 30 fry. This batch is very small. This is my first time breeding bettas, so this is my first sorry, this is my first breeding project of bettas, not betas, bettas. Yes, yeah, I think. Sorry about my coughing, and yeah. So yeah, I must show you one of my males that has turned into this interesting color. He has blue shimmer and cellophane fins. I'm really curious how it will turn out, as well as the female I'm showing you right here. It's too bright, but the color of her is yellowish, and the fins are starting to be cellophane, because as you can see on the edge of the fins, they are changing color to cellophane. But yeah, my camera stopped recording, but in this tank, I must say, is 16 gallons, which is about 60 liters. This tank has a thermostat, water heater, and a sponge filter. The temperature of the water is 27 Celsius. I don't know the Fahrenheit, but I think it's about 82. I don't know. I'm guessing. So yeah, I learned a lot from creative pet keeping. She done a really nice photographs, and actually a full series about her breeding her bettas and the growing stage of the bettas. I learned a lot from her, so I am advising you to check her channel out. But yeah, in this tank I have almond leaf, which is catappa leaves, I think that's how you say it, Anubias and driftwood. The almond leaves I bought from Amazon. I bought a package of 60 leaves in my, I think, yes, 60 leaves, which costs me $20. But yeah, it's not that pricey. I must say that breeding bettas is quite pricey. I'm sorry, but you can see the male is being so aggressive and trying to pick on girls here. He keeps this, I'm sorry about the glare, but he keeps his territory clean from other fish, and trying to actually bring females back there. I did see him building a bubble nest. It's it's crazy that they are only 79 days old and starting to be so aggressive and trying to breed. I don't understand. I'm keeping him in this tank only because he haven't been too aggressive, but I know for sure that the next week I will have to jar him. What I was saying before that, oh, the almond leaves I have in this tank, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 above. Yeah, I think it's very beneficial for bettas in particular. I searched on Google about the almond leaves, and it turns out that a lot of breeders are using almond leaves as a medicine for bettas. So that is very interesting. I'm sorry about my English again. But yeah, I'm doing water changes every 2 days, 80%. I'm just shocked that in in this age they are starting to be very aggressive, because as I'm filming, while I'm filming, sorry, I'm seeing a lot of aggression and flaring, and yeah. Let me know down below if you are breeding bettas, and when did the aggression start at your batch. Again, my camera stopped recording. So yeah, let me know down below when the aggression started in your batch. Yeah, I should jar some of the males here. I haven't told you the parents types. So the father is a half moon betta. I will try to show you. They are down here. He's behind the filter. I'm trying to breed him with her. This girl isn't the mother of the fry, I must say, and sorry about the water spots on the container, but I will try to call him out. He really likes these spots behind. I will show you when he will go out. But yeah, that is my breeding oh, I haven't told you about what I'm feeding my bettas. So I'm feeding my bettas 3 times a day, maybe 4 times a day if needed. I'm looking on their stomach if it's full, and that way I decide if I should feed them or not. But yeah, mostly I'm feeding them 3 times a day, morning, lunch, and dinner. For breakfast they are eating brine shrimp, adult brine shrimp, frozen. I must say they eat mostly frozen foods. Once in a while I will give them pellets. No, not pellets, flakes. Pellets I prefer not to give them in this age. But yeah, in the morning they eat mostly I must show you how this male is flaring on other males. He doesn't hurt them, but he flares. Yeah, now he stopped, but he did before. So for lunch I'm feeding them bloodworms, and dinner time I give them Daphnia, frozen Daphnia. Bloodworms as well is frozen. So yeah, so that is my breeding project. I will give you some updates every week. I will see, but expect for more updates about them. I have more tanks to show you. I'm so confused and unorganized. I did want to show you the fry mother. So she's in this tank. As you can see, she is swimming here. She's a koi betta. I think koi, definitely marble, but her patterns are reminding me of a koi, so I think it's a marble koi. So yeah, this is the mother of the fry. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to, if you liked my video. Turn on post notifications if you want to get updated on when I'm uploading a video, and see you next time.